Big up the
just envy, it's just envy.
and
But
good.
Jah love me and me know. Jah love me and we know.
Hold up,
And no matter what
is it
going
Jesus? You
through
feel the
these
vibes,
days,
Jesus Christ. You know, see,
Team Blue Radio International is the
yeah,
same.
man. See it there.
Yeah, man.
You man, big up yourself, the artist. Yeah, man.
Yeah, the
welcome
vibes right, you know.
Yeah, man. Welcome to Team Blue Radio. Yeah,
Yes,
man,
Team
Phoenix
Blue
Studio.
Radio, you don't know entertainment and
Yeah, man.
you don't know DJ Kev, and you don't know DJ King Kenny, and you know the Empress. Everything great, man, everything wonderful, you know.
See, diligent. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. You be say right now, right now, I have a few questions. I just want to ask you, you look at the radio. If four card I listen to you right now.
Yes,
you know
man,
what I
give
say?
thanks again for the blessing, you know.
Yeah, man. So, I just want to ask you a few questions, in regards to the music, where did the music start for you? And what inspired you, Rasta? 'Cause right now.
Yes, well, the music is a in-band concept, I would say. And the music was from a tender age, the business.
Yeah.
And I love the business straight, you know what I mean? So I've been doing the music from a tender age and continue to do the work. As me say, me still at work. So it doesn't matter from when till now, we're still doing the work. I try doing it. Do what we got to do, you see me I say? So that's why I give thanks for every blessing.
Just
give
like
thanks
when
to
it's
be
like-
here.
like-
Give thanks for Team Blue.
See.
You see me I say, and give thanks for the blessing. So anytime me get a blessing from someone, me always give
man.
thanks, no matter how small it is and
Bless
big it
it.
is.
Bless
But
it.
Dilton been doing the music for a long time and we
Yeah.
still doing it. As me say, me still at work.
Yeah.
See it there.
See it there. Yeah, but so what may I say is, so as a youth growing up, what kind of music you used to listen to as a youth growing up?
Well, me listen to every music still, But me listen to mostly reggae music, but me love every genre of music because even last night I was into in a little club, I was listening to some Spanish music, you know, salsa, and I was just see people them enjoying themselves, and I just was listening to the music, and it gave me a lot of inspiration to even write some different type of song, you know. So I listen to every music, you see me I say, but I don't know.
Yeah, see. So what may I say? Because you know, over the years, the music. To me, the music kind of changed a little bit. Yes, what may I say? In your opinion, you think the music has been changed from the music you used to listen back in the days until this day? You think the music's changed?
Well, the music is not really changing. It's just the decade and the time. It's the time in the whole of the music because you know, whenever it's a decade to decade, you know, sometimes they have the dance hall, then sometimes they have the, you know, the roots music running the thing. But the music will never change. That just decade, the artists them have to just change with the time. Because the time go by and, you know, younger generation will come up, younger youth, them will come up to them, I think, way out of the box. So as you know, who in it, you have to think the same way to keep up with what's going on.
Yeah, see. So what may I say? So you consider yourself as a role model then, for, you know?
Well, as I say, I consider myself as a role model.
Yeah.
Well, yes, to who, if me consider myself as a road model to who follow me, you see what I'm saying? But that I'm saying as a road model, yes, me consider myself as a road model because as a youth in the business, I've been doing this as an independent in the business from a long time. So Diligent been doing and help a lot of artists, produce a lot of artists.
Cool.
You see me?
I
So
love that.
I've been independent in the business from come in the business, from enter in reggae music. I've been spending my money from a tender age until today. Diligent been spending and doing the business and help a lot of artists too. You see what I'm saying? And produce a lot of artists too.
So you have anything new in the pipeline coming up? You have any more tours apart from this one we're doing right now? Because we know you had the European tour. Is there anything new in the pipeline? Any more tours or anything else after anything?
Yes, man. Well, right now. When I left Europe, I left Europe by this mountain here and then back into LA and then from LA back to Jamaica and then it just go on and on from there still, you see me?
See. So you have any collabs, you done any collabs with any other artists or you have any collabs coming up? Or?
Yeah, well right now, not for really right now, but we have some great collab are coming up and I plan for it, but Diligent just are going solo right now, you see what I'm saying? Because Diligent used to be a collab artist, you know what I mean?
See.
We get the songs and I'm thinking, but right now Diligent just kind of focus on Diligent right now to just show them, say, yeah, there's a different side of Diligent, you see me?
Yeah. Okay, so what can we expect from you for the rest of 2018 then? Like,
all about is just greatness, you know, continue greatness because I just that me have to go. I love the music, so as Mr. Chronic say, I do it for the love, not the likes. So I like do it because I love it. I'm do it so. I just do what I do for about 2018 and beyond. Diligent is unstoppable. It doesn't matter what they do about Diligent. It doesn't matter what they say about Diligent. It doesn't matter who hate Diligent. It doesn't matter who no one talk to me. It doesn't matter who is smiling on my face and they're not with me. Diligent still a work as long as the breath blowing through this nostril.
I love that.
And me exhale and me inhale. Diligent will continue. So anyone out there or anyone who feel like say Diligent gonna stop because of what they say about me, no one will take my glory. So Diligent will continue to do the music until just a when. So what kind of positive message you have to say to the younger generation of artists and DJs today to inspire them? Well, I will to the younger artists them and to the DJs them. Yeah. Well, as a younger artist them, I say are the artists them, not even young, well young or old. You got to love the music. You got to because in everything what you're doing there's a testing. Yeah. And as the book saying, the testing of a faith produce patience, but you got to make patient have his perfect work that you can get perfect. So sometimes it's not even no one to fight against you. It's just a testing of your faith to see how strong you are. Because remember the most I love no weak soldier on the battlefield. So if you're weak, you better go get strong. Yeah. Because exactly. You know, like see, you're an army man, so you know. Yeah, cool about that. The general can't have no weak soldier on the battlefield because one weak soldier on the battlefield can make everyone lose their life. So you got to strong on the battlefield. So as an artist, as a young artist, or any artist who in the business, there's a lot of time when temptation gonna come. It's a testing, it's a relay.
Yeah,
And so
yeah,
you jump one
exactly.
hurdle, there's another hurdle is there. So you feel like everything is the green light, then I say you see the red light.
Red light.
So, but it's a testing sometime of a faith to see how strong you are. If you love the business or you don't.
Yeah.
So if you love it, then the tell truth will always there.
Scene.
Back to the disc jockey them who are DJ them who play the music, it's the same thing.
Cool,
if you take
cool.
it for a career,
Aye.
you got to do it the right way to survive. Because if you don't do it the right way to survive, you're just
Yeah.
gonna be an ordinary DJ.
Yeah, exactly.
But when
yeah.
you take it up as a career, as a business, and do it the right way,
Yeah.
then it must be in a career for you to make
Yeah.
money. Simple.
Yeah, man, well, thank you, Diligent, for coming here at the radio. But you know, say, I can't make you go. I make people hear you. You know, give me some up on the radio.
You
That's what
don't
I say,
know,
so
you
I
just
rhythm.
don't know.
Yeah.
I want to say, give thanks again,
Yeah, man, cool,
Team
man.
Blue Entertainment
Yeah, man,
radio
yeah, man, Team
station.
Blue, yeah, man.
Big up everyone at the DJ them on the radio station. Big up Diligent himself. Enough love, enough respect.
Cool.
Enough everything. You see me I say, I'm just looking forward to just continue to do the work and continue to do the good work. Diligent is a pay love. But you don't know, say, I saw the thing said. So kick it.
Yeah, man, alright, yeah, I'm going to play already, yeah, man. Hold
See
on,
there.
hold on, Diligent, you have to give me.
I wish on your kid. Other one of them basket.
Yeah, man, Jesus.
Na.
Yeah.
Na. Yeah. You know me I say DJ Kev. Look at this. Yeah, yes. Them can't give me basket, we carry no water. See there. Team Blue Entertainment. Watch out no DJ King Kenny. Watch out no DJ Kev. Watch out no. Me tell them Team Blue. Them can't give me basket, we carry no water. No. Who a try said we open one we fall and no one we falter. Hey Team Blue tell them this. They can't give we basket, we carry no water. No. Who a try said we open one we fall and no one we falter. Hear what them do now? Come and ask a question I don't know and expect an answer, then reward me evil for my good. I saw them stay, and all of the wicked rejoice over me. No, say who is wrongfully my enemy? So Team Blue tell them this. Them can't give we basket, we carry no water. No, who a try said we open one we fall and no one we falter. Said DJ gave them can't give we basket, we carry no water. No, who a try said we open one we fall and no one we fall. Hear me no DJ kev. Yes, bad energy no make things work, but them can't stop we. And me no depend on no friend to give me strength, nah, no energy. No, oh yes, I was blessed by the Most High and the Spirit that He gave me. So me talk, me wanna talk and chat, me wanna journey, and that's why me tell them this. They can't give me basket, we carry no water. Hold on, them make it play, yes. No, DJ Kewe. They can't give me basket. Let me show them how we stay. Tell me to the bridge now. Tell me to the bridge. Tell me to the bridge now. Watch you know, my people. Yeah. I see them from afar. I know who they are. So when they come around, I trample them down. No matter how they try, they just can't get me down.